Retail favorites like Krispy Kreme, GoPro, and Opendoor have surged over the past several weeks, echoing the explosive rallies we saw during the original meme stock wave back in 2021. This resurgence has been driven by renewed social media buzz across Reddit, X, Discord, and even Telegram. Short interest has climbed, and seasonal patterns that often benefit small cap stocks are adding fuel to the fire. Together, these factors are pushing a new wave of heavily shorted, high volatility names into the spotlight. Although GameStop and AMC still make headlines, a different group of stocks is capturing most of the attention this year. Now let's take a closer look at what's moving. 1. Krispy Kreme. In July 2025, Krispy Kreme's share price jumped more than 35% in just a few sessions. Despite a lack of any major company news, the stock became one of the most mentioned names on Reddit and X. 2. GoPro. This one saw one of the sharpest rallies in mid-July. GoPro climbed from around 70 cents per share to over $2.10 in just a few days, a gain of more than 200% at its peak. 3. Opendoor. Opendoor delivered one of the most dramatic meme stock rallies of the summer. The stock climbed from just over 40 cents to a peak of $4.50 in less than 2 weeks, a staggering gain for more than 900% at its intraday high. The mindset fueling these moves hasn't changed since the original GameStop saga. Phases like Diamond Hands and To the Moon continue to dominate the online conversation. Diamond Hands reflects the determination of retail traders to hold their positions through wild price swings, while To the Moon captures the collective belief that a stock can skyrocket far beyond traditional valuation metrics. It is worth noting GameStop and AMC remain the most recognizable names in meme stock history, but the energy around them has shifted. While these moves can create massive gains for some, they also come with significant risks. They've also underscored the importance of caution, research, and risk management. If you're trading these names, know the risks, stay informed, and never put in more than you're willing to lose. Subscribe to XTB and keep up to date with the latest news and trends.